Welcome to another thrilling day in the world of heavy machinery, where power meets precision and engineering excellence takes center stage. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of a mining site to witness the unstoppable power of the Caterpillar 374D Excavator, a true giant built to dominate the toughest terrains. Working under the banner of Interkat SA, this beast shows what real performance looks like as it loads overburden into four-axle trucks with unmatched efficiency and control. The sight is nothing short of mesmerizing. A perfect blend of raw strength, advanced hydraulics, and expert operator skill. The Caterpillar 374D stands tall in the lineup of mining-class excavators, known globally for its robust design and impressive output. Equipped with a Cat C15 ACERT engine, it delivers around 476 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful machines in its category. This incredible power ensures that the excavator can dig, lift, and load heavy material continuously without compromise. The 374D is designed to handle intense workloads day after day, making it a preferred choice for large-scale mining operations where reliability and performance are critical. At this Interkat SA mining site, the 374D is seen effortlessly loading overburden onto four-axle dump trucks. Each bucket fill is a display of strength and precision. The machine's advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth control, allowing operators to load quickly without spilling material or losing balance. It's this combination of power and finesse that makes the 374D a favorite among mining professionals. On average, it can fill a large truck in just a few cycles, a testament to its speed and productivity. What truly sets the Caterpillar 374D apart is its structural durability and intelligent design. The reinforced boom and stick are built to withstand high stress, while the heavy-duty undercarriage ensures stability even in uneven or rocky conditions. Its spacious cab provides operators with excellent visibility and comfort, featuring adjustable seats, advanced controls, and reduced noise levels to minimize fatigue during long shifts. Caterpillar's focus on operator safety and comfort ensures maximum efficiency on the job site. Interkat SA's deployment of this powerhouse machine reflects their commitment to productivity and operational excellence. Known for their mining expertise and efficiency, the company relies on equipment like the 374D to maintain consistent output and meet project deadlines. The excavator's ability to perform long hours under extreme conditions while maintaining precision and control, plays a vital role in keeping operations running smoothly. The machine also boasts impressive fuel efficiency, thanks to Caterpillar's advanced engine management system that optimizes power output and minimizes unnecessary fuel consumption. This not only reduces operational costs, but also lowers the carbon footprint, an important factor for modern mining companies looking to balance productivity with environmental responsibility. In addition, the 374D's maintenance-friendly design is another standout feature. Easy access to service points, durable components, and built-in diagnostic systems allow quick inspections and repairs, minimizing downtime and maximizing work hours. When time is money, the ability to stay operational with minimal maintenance interruptions makes all the difference. As the video captures the 374D at work, you can almost feel the ground shake with each bucket load. The coordination between the excavator and the trucks is seamless, a well-orchestrated performance that demonstrates what happens when power meets precision. Every movement is calculated, every load is balanced, and every truck departs filled to capacity, heading to the dumping site as the next one takes its place. In conclusion, the Caterpillar 374D excavator stands as a true icon of power, durability, and performance in the mining industry. At this Interkat SA site, it proves once again why it's considered one of the best in its class. A machine built not just to work, but to conquer. Whether it's moving mountains of overburden or maintaining peak efficiency in tough conditions, the 374D continues to define what it means to be unstoppable in mining operations. If you enjoyed watching this powerhouse in action, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow machinery lovers, and comment below which machine you want to see next.